Welcome to the Busy Life Fitness Challenge. We all crave a healthy, fit body. But life throws curveballs. Work, family, and social commitments clog our schedules. Finding time for fitness feels impossible. But it's not. This is your guide to staying fit, even with a busy life. Small changes, big results. Let's get started. Now let's dive into mindset over matter. Staying fit is a mental game. Believe you can do it. Focus on progress, not perfection. Start small, build habits slowly. Visualize your success. See yourself getting stronger. Imagine the energy boost. Your mind is powerful. Use it. Moving on to morning rituals for success. Start your day strong. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Do some light stretches. This awakens your body. It prepares you for the day. Go for a quick jog, or try a 15-minute yoga routine. Morning exercise boosts your mood. It increases your focus. You'll feel amazing all day long. Lastly, let's talk about the power of micro-workouts. No time for long workouts? No problem. Embrace micro-workouts. These are short bursts of activity. Do them throughout your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk during your lunch break. Do some squats while you wait for the coffee. Every bit counts. Lunch break is your secret weapon. Step away from your desk and move your body. Even 15 minutes makes a difference. Find a nearby park, go for a brisk walk, or do some body weight exercises. Fresh air and exercise will re-energize you. You'll return to work refreshed and focused. Don't let the evening slump stop you. Find ways to move after work. Turn your commute into a workout. Walk or bike home. Join a gym near your work, squeeze in a quick session before heading home, or try a fun dance class. Evening exercise relieves stress and helps you unwind after a long day. Fitness is not just about exercise, it's also about what you eat. Fuel your body with healthy, nutritious foods. This gives you energy to move. Choose whole grains, lean protein, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water throughout the day. Good nutrition maximizes your workout benefits. It keeps you feeling your best. Weekends are your chance to go all out. You have more time. Use it to explore different activities. Try hiking, biking, or swimming. Join a sports league. Play basketball, soccer, or tennis with friends. Weekend workouts are a fun way to stay active. They keep you motivated during the week. Remember, rest is as important as exercise. Pay attention to your body's signals. Don't push yourself too hard. Take rest days when needed. Listen to your body's limits. Don't compare yourself to others. Your fitness journey is unique. Celebrate your progress. Every step counts. Staying fit with a busy schedule is possible. Start small, build healthy habits, make fitness a part of your daily routine. You don't need hours at the gym. Micro workouts, mindful eating, and consistent effort make a difference. Believe in yourself. You've got this.